Hi friends, I Robinson. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science Robinson. Today's topic we are going to deal with sinuses of nasal cavity and drainage routes. They are located laterally and slightly inferiorly to nasal cavity, and they drain into the nasal cavity of the hiatus semilunaris underneath the frontal sinus opening. The main importance function is the sinuses lighten the skull and improve the voice, and very importantly it produces mucus to moisture inside the nose to prevent the inhale of the dust or any other microorganisms into the lungs. These are the major important of the sinuses of the nasal cavity, and we are also going to see about the drainage routes. Right now I am going with that particular point in our diagram. So now we are seeing in our diagram about the nasal cavity and sinuses and drainage routes. So this particular point, it is called as superior nasal conge. Below that it is called as a superior nasal meatus. So that's the thing we are seeing in our diagram. The sinuses are present in meatus. And now we are seeing about the middle nasal conge or concave, and now we are seeing about the middle nasal meatus. And again we are going to see about the down part. It is called as a inferior nasal conge, and below that we are going to see about the inferior nasal meatus. So this is the major importance we have to see, where we have to study about the sinuses of the nasal cavity or drainage routes. So this particular point, it is called as a sphenoid sinuses, and next we are going to see about the frontal sinuses, and after frontal sinuses we are going to see about the maxillary sinuses, and after maxillary sinuses we are going to see about the ethmoid sinuses. So these are the major importance that we are going to see in our diagram about the drainage routes. So now we are seeing about the frontal sinuses, where it will drain into the middle nasal meatus, that is frontal nasal duct. So where we can see about the frontal, and next we are going to see about the ethmoid sinuses. Here in ethmoid we can see about the anterior and middle and posterior. So now we are seeing about the middle, that is where the middle ethmoid sinus which will drain in middle meatus of nasal, anterior ethmoid which will drain in middle meatus, posterior ethmoid sinus will drain in superior meatus. So that is about the ethmoid, anterior, posterior and middle ethmoid sinuses. Now we are going to see about the sphenoid sinuses. It will drain into the superior nasal conge, and we can see in our diagram this is the particular point where it will drain from the sphenoid sinuses. We can see in middle meatus where the folds, where it is having a opening of the maxillary sinuses. So from maxillary sinuses, this is the point where it will drain. Next opening, it is called as a nasolacrimal duct inferiorly meatus of the nose, where it will drain, and we can see in our diagram this is the place where it will get drained in our nasal cavity. So this is about the sinuses of the nasal cavity and drainage route of the nasal cavity. So that is the reason when we cry we will have a water in our nose as well as through the throat. That is because the opening of the nasolacrimal duct. Thank you friends for watching. It's Star Science Robinson. Thank you once again.